In this video, I'll show you how to resize a design in Canva. First, open Canva and sign into your account. Then open the design you want to resize. Next, click the Resize button in the top left corner of the editor. Enter the new dimensions you want to use, or choose a preset size for platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or presentations. Now, select Copy and Resize if you want to keep your original design and create a resized copy. If the option is available, you can also choose Resize to change the current design without creating a copy. After that, wait a few moments while Canva adjusts your design to the new dimensions. Review the layout and reposition any text, images, or graphics that may have shifted during the resizing process. Finally, once you're satisfied with the resized design, click the Share button, select Download, choose your preferred file format, and save it to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to resize a design in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.